the Nugget.
Nugget.
Okay, over here, guys. Look at. We show them the box right here. Say the Nugget.
Nugget.
Unbox a gift right here behind us. It's called, what is it? It's called, look, we have to show it to the camera. It's called the Nugget. Okay, over here, guys, look at, we show them the box right here. Say the Nugget. And we don't know where it came from, so we are going to unbox it to see what's inside of it. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you boys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, over here, you guys, we're gonna show them what's in it. Okay, right here.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright. And here. Oh. Hey. You don't know? Well, we will figure it out.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know.
I think it's banana.
Is it a chicken? It's called the Nugget.
Yeah.
So we don't know. Is it chicken nugget, you think?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's not chicken nugget.
It's not. What is this nugget all about? Be fun.
But where is it?
Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
Okay, get out of here.
You need it for buying.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put it away.
Oh no.
Charlotte, don't sit there. Okay, wait a minute. We'll get it right there.
Yeah.
Okay, this way, guys. Right here. Yeah. Okay, there it is. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Look.
It is.
Oh no.
There it is. Okay, wait a minute.
This is a trampoline.
Not trampoline. I think it's like something you can play with. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. Okay, there are so many things you can do with this, I guess. So you can. Wait a minute, but Ethan,
Where is it?
you can do like this. Bowl it out of there. Wait a
Where's
minute.
that?
Wait.
Yee! Trampoline. Trampoline.
This.
Like that?
Yeah.
Where's
And
What's that?
so the content of the box is this
Yeah.
and two. They're basically just foam, but something to play with, right? Okay, like this, guys. You can.
I want to take a bit.
No, wait a minute. Not like that. Like this. Look at.
Where's it?
Like this. Ethan, come here.
Ooh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Yeah. Or you can also do like this.
I want to tap.
Wait a minute. Like this.